Initializing a screen recording is highly customizable. First of all, you need to choose the recording area. It can be either the entire screen, a preset from 240p to 4K, a recent area, or an active application. You can also choose the capture rate. Another video source is the webcam. Both the frame rate and size are customizable. There are two audio sources. The microphone can be used as well as the system sounds. Finally, a timer gives you the chance to prepare for your screen recording. The area will be surrounded by a red rectangle. The top panel can be used to change the size and position at any time. We will use Fit to Application, but you can choose any other option. You are all set and can start your first project. Thank you for watching.